What's going on, guys? So we are out here in Tampa, Florida at the Florida RV Super Show. This is a really cool event where it's honestly just loaded with new RVs, new floor plans, new models for you all to come out and take a look at. It's one of the largest shows in the country, if not the largest show in the country. I know there's always debate between this one and the Hershey show. That said, in front of you is a really cool C-Class motorhome. Now, why this is so special to me is because if you've watched my channel for a while, you know that my father actually owned a Winnebago View. And unfortunately, he had to get rid of it because there was a fire in the storage unit and it filled his unit full of smoke. And I think most people know once that happens, it pretty much destroys the value of the RV, even though they tried to clean it. That said, we're going to take a closer look at this all new floor plan. Rides on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 4-cylinder diesel, rear-wheel drive, I think optional all-wheel drive platform, because these views are what I consider to be a more premium Class C unit and definitely one that a lot of people are interested in when they're looking at getting a new motorhome. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have a special guest with me, and do you want to introduce yourself real quick?
Yeah, hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Whittington. I'm the product manager for our compact Class Cs at Winnebago, which include our Views and Navions.
And this thing is absolutely beautiful. Before we get a deeper dive of what's going on here, can you kind of talk about the ranking of View and the whole lineup of Class Cs that Winnebago offers? Because it's certainly not an entry level or a lower cost, let's say. This is more of a premium product, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely designed for people who love to be out on the road and really want to feel comfortable and full of leisure while they're out doing that. So it's based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter cab chassis, which is already a fantastic chassis to be riding in. It's so comfortable. You've got leather seats up there. It's a premium chassis full of lots of features and amenities. And then we put a fantastic build on the back of it too that has all of the luxuries that you would expect to be out on the road for extended periods of time or even just those weekend trips as well.
Yep, and the Mercedes chassis is amazing, not just because it is quiet, but it's also super fuel efficient. That's the thing. These things get incredible fuel economy because we all know if you're going to be on the road, the one thing everyone hates to do is having to stop for fuel all the time. And these things sip fuel. It's amazing. But yeah, these things are super fuel efficient for what they are. Yep. But yeah, let's get a full tour of this thing. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, absolutely. So first of all, you can see we've got a brand new exterior full body paint on here. Fantastic, nice and minimal. Couple of really cool things on the exterior. First of all, you've got this huge door in the back here if you didn't notice it already, and that opens to this massive gear garage. Tons of space that you can fit bikes, you can fit gear, you can fit all of your camping equipment, you can put a Blackstone grill back there, anything that you want to take along with you. And all of them are on these beautiful side hinge doors, really easy to get into. And you also see how thick these doors are.
Oh yeah.
They're nice and insulated. This coach is rated down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, so everything that you've got inside here, you can see the heat ducts in here, so we're going to pump heat back there, so whatever you've got back there, if you're out camping in the winter, this is a really great coach to take along with you. All of your exterior compartments here as well are all conveniently side hinged, really easy to get in and out of. You've got your inverter disconnect down there, 2,000 watt inverter included on the coach.
And real quick, again, you made this point because I'm kind of a thickness of door fanatic, and I always point this out, and these are super high quality baggage doors. You don't typically see this on a Class C.
Yep, exactly. Built-in Truma Aquago in here for all of your water heat.
And that's an on-demand water heating system, which is really nice. Real quick, I'm going to go over a couple of the specs here, just so people know. Exterior height, 10 foot 7 inches. In the all-wheel drive version, 10 foot 10 inches. A little under 8 feet wide, so that's going to be nice for a lot of folks. 35-gallon freshwater capacity. Continuous hot water heat because it has the Truma. Gray tank, 46 gallons. Black tank, 47 gallons. 50 pounds worth of propane, 24.5-gallon fuel tank. Gross combined weight rating, 15,250, so that's going to include towing behind the vehicle. Gross vehicle weight is 11,030 pounds, and that's fully loaded, so that is really cool. Now we're going to step inside, and we're going to quickly go through this because this is a very popular unit. Going to pan around real quickly. It's absolutely beautiful inside. I love the colors and tones, but I'm going to let Stephanie take it away and talk about all the special things because I know this is probably going to be one of them.
Yeah, we can definitely do that. So we'll just do general interior to start with. You can see we really took a very warm approach with the colors. This is our Hygge house. It's really designed as like that Scandinavian retreat, right? And it feels very warm and comfortable. But just as you pointed out, there's this beautiful thing right here as you walk inside that is a part of our connected coach system. It's called Winnebago Connect. What is so cool about Winnebago Connect is it is the first of its kind. It is entirely purpose-built here internal at Winnebago. It is designed specifically for our floor plans, for our features, for everything that we put into our coaches, as well as the features that we know that our customers really want. So things like our pet minder, if you leave your pets in your RV, will automatically control your climate interior to keep it at a temperature range that is safe for your pets. And if it gets out of that temperature range, we'll send you notification to let you know. So you can address it. You can change your heat or your cool from anywhere that you are. This is entirely what we call far field connected, which means that it's connected to the internet. We have a dual band router in here, and it'll send you notifications to your phone. If you're out hiking, you're out in the national park, if you're just out having lunch and you want a notification from your RV, we'll ping all of that. But this is your central hub for everything. So you've got all of your controls. You can manage your power, you can manage all of your tank levels, you can manage how your coach operates and runs, you can manage your generator, everything like that, all from the single screen. And you can connect it to your phone. So if you're laying in bed and it's kind of cold in the morning, you don't want to get up and turn your furnace on, you can do it right from your phone. It's super convenient, super easy, and really turns your just connected experience into really this like wonderful RV concept.
Yeah. So let's kind of walk around here and see some of the niches, because I'm sure there's a lot of little nuggets that are kind of built into this.
Yeah,
so I
exactly.
love the pulls. I love all of this. This is beautiful how you've actually done a lot of this. I think that's locked.
Yep, so these are all soft close drawers. They're also, we build these in-house as well, and they're designed to be really easy if you needed to service them or if you needed to make changes or anything, as opposed to like the traditional style of drawers. So here in the galley space, you can see a couple of really cool things. First of all, we do a dual type stove here. We've got an induction cooktop and you've got a propane cooktop. And people love this because it gives you both options. Some people really like the induction, some really like the propane. And so now you've got both options as you're going through and cooking. If you pop over here as well, you've got this huge round sink. I love this. I have put so many dishes in there, pots and pans, all kinds of things. Lots of space to be able to clean. Lots of cabinet space for you to be able to store all of your goods. A convection microwave up here as well. You've got this removable pedestal here if you want to set it up for you to sit and eat, or you can take it away and stow it. And then super beautiful, really, really comfortable seats here. They're all extending, so we'll just fancy demo it here. So they kick all the way out. So in this particular unit, you see that we've got our cab over bunk. You've also got the option to do a low profile front cab, which turns this into just straight storage space. Two doors on the front there. You can get access to it with the slide in or out. And then of course we've got our Mercedes chassis in here. A couple of really cool things with this. We've got our digital rear view mirror up there on the back. This is the Mercedes provided one, so it is specifically integrated for the Mercedes chassis. Also comes with our blind spot monitors, but we really make sure that like we've got the right specs in these coaches as well. All of your safety features included. You've got heated seats, all of the amenities that are going to make your travel experience really, really comfortable. Lane keeping,
blind spot mitigation, all that stuff.
All of it. Yep, exactly.
So what do we have going on with the Truma system up here?
Yep, so this is an option with our new views and Navions. You've got the Truma Aventa air conditioner. This is a super quiet AC. So when you've got that thing on, you're not having to like raise your voice, so that way you can capture what your partners or travel companions are saying. Really nice and quiet. Does a fantastic job of really making a nice, cool climate inside.
For sure.
10 cubic foot refrigerator.
Our cold 12 volt
12
refrigerator.
Volt. Yep, exactly right.
I love the pulls right here. It's really nice.
We've got our dual-sided bath. So on this side is your shower, and then I'll open this one. This will be your main bath area.
Very nice.
Macerator toilet in there.
Porcelain toilet.
And then I'll let you kind of swing around however makes sense, but you've got your shower space right in there as well.
That's very nice. That's a beautiful shower in there too. All right.
What's really nice about this too is you can also open both doors side by side. So if you want to just make this massive cross coach bath here, you've got all the space in the world.
Okay. Yeah, I see how you've made the walls specific for that. Yeah.
Yep, exactly. Or even just open this one and then you've got a great dressing area. You can really like mix and match however you want it to be. Great. So we'll move into the back here. So as you can see, we did our twin bed setup. You've also got these middle cushions here, so if you want to pop those down and then turn it into a queen, you've got tons of space and really a lot of flexibility with it. This is our wind sleep system in the back here as well. These mattresses are so comfortable. These are not the like buy your coach and toss your mattress day one. These are the things that are going to last you for the whole time that you own your coach. They're so comfortable. They're, you know, full residential sleeping comfort.
When you close all this up, this turns into about a king size bed roughly?
I'll get you the exact dimensions. It's somewhere above a queen though.
Okay, yeah, it seems pretty large.
Yep, exactly.
Love the padded ceiling in here as well. Very traditional with your higher end motor coaches.
Yep, lots of overhead cabinet space in here. And then you've also got 2 drawers down here on the bottom. And then on both sides, wardrobe space as well.
Very nice. Okay, and I like the carpeted material that's in here as well.
Yeah, so what's really nice about it is a couple of things. If you walk around on this barefoot, first of all, you're going to feel a couple things. One, you don't feel the like grit of dirt, right?
Yeah.
You know, when you're out camping and you've got a vinyl floor and you can just feel everything sort of like starting to mount up. This does not do that.
Yeah.
It also is warm to the touch. Even in cold climates, because you've got like this nice layer of padding underneath it, it feels really nice on your feet. Super easy to clean. You can still clean it with a broom, or you can run over it with a vacuum, whatever's easier. But really, really comfortable to actually feel under your feet.
No, very nice. I really like what they've done with this. And this is honestly one of those products that you get into with the understanding that you're getting a lot of higher quality materials, you're getting a lot of luxury-based amenities, and a lot of room and storage, a lot of well thought out things. I love the connected system as well, to be able to manage everything remotely. That is huge, again, especially when you're not using your RV. People typically don't think about that. If you're spending full time in this, yes, you're going to use it a lot. But a lot of people might use it a few months out of the year.
Yeah.
And then it's going to sit in storage.
Yeah.
So to be able to manage humidity, be able to manage the interior of it, be able to see what or feel and kind of know what's going on with it is super important when it comes to not using your RV.
Yeah.
So I think that's also a big deal.
Yeah. I've heard a lot of our users as well that have started to purchase these RVs or that are thinking about it. What's really cool about the connected system is it's also just like a safety net feature, right?
Yeah.
Especially if you're newer to RVing, where you're looking at these and going, oh my gosh, that's a lot to manage. There's a lot of systems in there, a lot of components that I have to watch for. The Winnebago Connect makes all of that management so much easier. Just like you would use your phone to, you know, monitor the things at your house. Now you can do that with your RV. And it just makes it so much, it just makes you feel so much better about it. And it's really a nice calming feeling to have that feature.
Yeah, for sure, especially because these are big investments.
Yeah.
Anyways, Stephanie, I really appreciate the guided tour. Really, really cool product. And again, this is brand new. This is something that they just came out with.
Yep.
A lot of the new technology. So thank you again for the tour.
Absolutely.
Yep. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we will talk to you again very soon.